We've spoken about how you can test your mobile site in a normal desktop browser without a server by loading your HTML using the file protocol. But now, as we're testing Ajax, and because we want to be testing on a real device, we'll need a server. If you've been developing for the web for a while, you may already have access to a development server, in which case just throw your files on that as you would for any other website. Don't worry if you don't have a dev server though, as there are a number of simple ways to serve up files from your local machine to your device, as long as they're running on the same Wi-Fi network. But before you can do that, we need to find out your IP address. In Linux and OS X, open up a terminal and type ifconfig. Your network device will probably be called something like Eth0 on Linux or En1 on OS X. On Windows, open up command.exe and type ipconfig. Next, we're going to install Ruby. Ruby has a small server called ADSF, or a dead simple file server. OS X already has Ruby installed, so we won't worry about that. On Ubuntu Linux, you need to install two apt packages, Ruby and Ruby Gems. On Windows, go to rubyinstaller.org and download the latest version. Once downloaded, run the installer, and when asked, remember to select Add Ruby executables to your path and associate .rb and .rbr files with this installation. Finally, in your respective consoles, type gem install ADSF. OS X and Linux guys probably need to preface that with sudo. Then change into the directory where you put your index.html file and type adsf. Now point your browser to http:// whatever your IP address is, 3000.